Hey dear viewers, welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox. Now I'm going to guide you how to change the wallpaper of your PC. That's pretty simple, but before doing that, I'm requesting you to subscribe the channel and also requesting to hit that like button. First of all, you need to click on the right button of your mouse. If you click on that, then you will see options like this. If you click on the personalize, then you will see many options like this interface. So if you click on this image, then the wallpaper will be changed into it. On the same way, if you click on this image, the image will be changed again. But now here is a problem comes up. If we want to use an image from external source, we need to click on browse button. Then we need to select that image from the source. If I select this one, then the wallpaper is changed into it. So that's all about today's video. Thank you for watching.